Before the opening bell, U.S. indices, they closed mixed on Monday with the Nasdaq closing up, the Dow Jones and the S&P 500 on the downside. Now, the retailing, semiconductors and semiconductor equipment and tech hardware and equipment sectors, they were the best performers of the day. This while real estate, also banks and consumer durables and apparel, they were the worst performers. This all as 81% of S&P 500 constituents traded lower or unchanged yesterday. Meanwhile, after the markets closed, Johnson & Johnson posting first quarter adjusted EPS up to $2.30 from $2.10 a year earlier on sales up 3.3% to $20.69 billion. Both figures beating expectations, sending the shares higher before hours. The company also increasing quarterly dividend to $1.01 from 95 cents previously. JP Morgan reporting first quarter EPS down to 78 cents below expectations from $2.65 a year earlier as the company built credit reserves of $6.8 billion. But equity sales and trading revenues up 28% to $2.24 billion above expectations. Meanwhile, Roku soaring in extended trade as the company estimates 39.8 million active accounts as of March 31st, 2020, a net increase of nearly 3 million since December 31st, 2019. Now, in terms of expectations today, we do have results from Wells Fargo, and in terms of economic docket, on the economic docket today, we do have the G7 video conference meeting, and also before the opening bell, we have both import and export prices for the month of March, and we also have the Red Book for the week of 4/11. Meanwhile, moving on to the markets, the S&P 500 is where we begin. That sees a bullish bias above 2752, and that's in focus as the relative strength index is mixed with a bullish bias. Long positions above 2752 are favored with targets at 2817 and 2870 in extension. Moving on, the Nasdaq, that sees further advance, while the Dow Jones, that sees further advance as well.